Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to take gesture screenshot in Samsung. For instance, if you want to take a screenshot on any web page, maybe you open an application, you want to take a gesture screenshot by swiping your palm like this to take a screenshot. Then, like that, let me show you how this is done. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. First, go ahead and open the settings app on your Samsung phone. On the settings, scroll down, locate and click on advanced features. Under advanced features, go ahead and click on motions and gestures. And then locate palm swap to capture and turn this on. With this turned on, you'll be able to take a screenshot using the gesture. You see that? And then you are good. So, if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.